Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Make sure you know your Apple ID and password and that the other device is online. Once done, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone or iPad. If two-factor authentication is enabled, be ready to receive a 6-digit code on a trusted device or phone number. Make sure you can unlock any trusted device to view codes. This avoids delays and prevents getting locked out mid-process. Now enter your Apple ID and password carefully. Small typos cause confusion. After you submit credentials, the system will prompt for the two-factor code. Enter the 6-digit number shown on your trusted device or via SMS. When prompted about iCloud data, decide whether to merge to combine contacts and photos or don't merge to keep local data separate. Make sure you read each prompt. This controls what syncs. Finish by reviewing settings to confirm iCloud, App Store, FaceTime, and iMessage show your Apple ID. Once the device finishes syncing, make sure your photos, contacts, and purchases appear. If two-factor codes don't arrive, try the trusted phone number or request code from another trusted device. As a fallback, start account recovery at Apple ID settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still can't sign in, remove and re-add the account or reboot the device to clear temporary network or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.